Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sarita Chahar and currently I am here in Magapatta, Pune. It's the Vox Pop segment on my YouTube channel, and looking at the current scenario in the last year, a lot has changed and now we all are working from home. So today we'll talk to some IT folks and we'll see what they think about work from home and of course their opinions about the same. So let's just go and talk to them. So what's your name?
My name is Samir Patel.
Okay, and do you work in IT?
Yes, I'm working in IT.
Okay, so how work from home has been for you since last 1.5 years?
It's been a good experience since last 2 years, but now it's been a bit difficult for us, especially since last 6 months was kind of a bit tiring experience, and now we need to come back to the offices and have some give some time for colleagues and to meet people in workspace.
Alright, okay, that's understandable. We are here with Suraj this time, and let's just ask him about his opinions on work from home.
Well, it's a totally different experience for me because I changed my company in this lockdown. So I have not seen my office till now.
Alright.
So it was a total different experience, and all the KT sessions, like all the new technologies were given by on call only.
Okay.
So I have never met any other colleagues. So it was a total different experience, and since 1.5 year I'm trying to work. I'm trying to work from home, and I'm trying to cope up with this thing because it's a total different experience.
Okay.
But as I prefer, it should be a hybrid
Mode of work,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Office and home
office and home, because over here we don't have any other lifestyle, just working from 9 hours, and then we don't know with whom I'm working with.
Yes, correct.
So there should be some interaction between my team members also. So I preferred a hybrid work system. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. We have Arpit right now, and let's just go and talk to him about his views on work from home. Okay, Arpit, so what do you feel about work from home as a whole?
It's a pretty good idea, I say. The best part about it is no traveling
Okay, yeah. So
That's
you
the
save
best
a lot.
thing.
Yeah.
and no formal interaction with the boss or the teammates.
Okay.
Just do your work.
Yeah.
Have time for other activities as well. But too long, I say, it affects you.
Yeah, it's been like 1.5 years and it's been like really 18 and 19 months. So you cool with it?
Not now. You need to interact with people and say, work from home. I think the biggest drawback is that you get into a comfort zone.
Yeah.
You don't interact much with people, kind of become an introvert. So you don't want that.
Okay.
You want a bit of physical experience as well. And that's how it works.
Okay, speaking about co-working spaces, so they are always a better alternative rather than working from home, because they provide very healthy environment for working. They also have some additional facilities which any employee can just pay some amount and can use it. We have a lot of co-working spaces in Pune. So as you know, we have WeWork, we have all other working spaces in Viman Nagar, Koregaon Park. So have you ever tried, and what do you think about them? Like, co-working space a good idea if you really want to work from home? You can just drop by there sometime.
It's a good idea, you can say. Especially in case of emergencies, like if you don't have office space available,
Correct.
or you want to have some formal interaction with the client and all. So I think that's a good place. And yeah, you could say somewhat you get to meet other people as well,
Yeah.
from other fields and all. So it's a good thing, But
Okay.
I haven't tried it as much.
Okay.
But still, I'm hopeful that someday
Okay.
I'll go.
All right. Also, what do you think about co-working spaces? So, हमारे यहाँ पे Seasons के side में we have WeWork and all of it. So, उनके बारे में आपको क्या लगता है? Should you go there, work sometimes? What is it?
Well, as per my experience, I've just shifted to Pune before 1.5 years.
Okay.
So I'm not that familiar with this system. Yeah. So before that, I was working in Mumbai for 4.5 years. So I'm not that experienced with all these things.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think about the co-working spaces? We have WeWork, we have a lot of theme-based co-working spaces which actually provide a good opportunity if people do not want to, continue going to the office, if they can just go there and work. What do you think about it?
I would say it depends on the it varies on person to person, but yeah, for my experience, to work in office, it's really it's manageable in terms of delivering the work.
Yes.
rather than, I mean, because there would be issues related to latency and all these things. Okay,
That's
so
right.
that those things come into the picture when you work from home or when you work from any other workspace. You would not have a expected bandwidth of internet or something, so that comes into the picture. But yeah, I mean, working from office would be always a preferable option. Okay.
Okay, so that's all from today from Magarpatta, and I will see you on the other side. Thank you. So as the video is about work from home, so I have to shoot some of its part at my house. So here we are, and so we did talk to a couple of guys, and after talking to all of them about work from home, hybrid culture of work and everything, I think we can conclude that after 18 months of work from home, extensive work from home, we are finally ready to go back to offices. Now the thing which we have to see is that are we really ready to go back to offices, to accept at least the hybrid mode of work where we can work from home half of the time, from office half of the time, so that we can balance our lifestyle. So yes, that's all. If you have any comments about the same, if you really want to go back to hybrid mode of work, or if you really want to work from home, please let me know in the comment section. Of course, I cannot help in this case, but it's always good to hear to some more views. Also, thank you so much for watching this Vox Pop segment. Or if you're interested, you can also watch my previous Vox Pop segment right here on the corner. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more public opinions. Thank you so much for watching.